Hey guys, George again, School Lunchbox Dad, and I'm with the team at Stuck On You. And what I'm going to do today is one of my most popular posts that I do on Instagram, and that is your DIY taco lunch. My girls absolutely love it. So let's do this. Let's be the coolest kids in school. So, simple wrap, and I'm using a cookie cutter, or you could even use a cup upside down, and we're going to cut circles out of it. So, just literally creating circles. So simple. Now you can do a few of these, like I'll do another lot as well. And remember, do not throw away any of the excess or leftover bread because I have creations for those. So what we've done now is we've literally created our little mini soft taco shells. So we're going to put them in the bento. So simple. Now I'm going to use, again, roast chicken. Best filling, again, it's great because it's roasted chicken, it's not fried. It's a great source of protein, and it is very easy to work with, and kids love chicken. So there's my chicken. You've got to have cheese in your taco. You can see how easy it is. You can be as messy as you like or as neat as you like. As long as it gets in the bento, it doesn't matter because it's leak proof, and the separate compartments doesn't cross-contaminate any of the food, which is absolutely awesome. Now this little central compartment here, the round circle, is where I'm going to put the sour cream. Now you can use natural Greek yogurt as an alternative if you do not want to use any sour cream, and it works an absolute treat. In fact, you can't even tell the difference. So there's our sour cream. Now I'm going to add some sweet corn kernels as well. You can't go wrong. Now also, my little girls love carrot and also cucumber, but I'm going to add some cucumbers in here as well. And you can't have tacos without tomatoes, so I'm just going to quickly dice up or cut up a couple of tomatoes. I'm going to pop them in there as well. So simple. So I've got pretty much all the ingredients there to make a soft shell DIY taco. And remember, the kids can make as many as they want or as little as they want. And they're great for snacks as well, even at home. So we can also add some lettuce as well. So simple. My girls absolutely love avocado, and it's so good for them. So I can't resist but putting it in the bento as well. So I'll just cut it in half, slight twist. And to remove it, you literally just pop the knife and twist, simple. Now using a fork, all I'm gonna do is just score the avocado, and I'm just softening it up a little bit and pop that in the bento in its entirety, or its half entirety, with the shell. It looks yum, tastes delicious, enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the DIY taco bento. So now I'm off to take my girls to school. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, and guys, you feel free to follow me on social media. I'm known as School Lunchbox, one word, on Instagram, or School Lunchbox AU on Facebook. And remember, like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe now.